I'm outside. Where are you?
Yes, I'm right here.
Where? I don't see you anywhere.
Hey, look, I'm right here. Come on.
Where are you?
Hey, this is me. Yeah.
You're on a wheelchair?
Yes.
Why you didn't tell me all this?
I was about to tell you one day that I have a weakness.
Telling me this will tell me that you are disabled?
I was going to tell you, but you stopped me. That there's no need to tell anything. Who's perfect these days? Every human being has a weakness and all.
I didn't know you are disabled. You can't walk on your own feet.
What if I can't walk? I'll earn money, I can take good care of you. I'll give you everything you want. And anyways, I have you. You'll be my support.
Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
What happened?
What happened? I will fall in love with a disabled person? I'll be in a relationship with you? Not at all.
We are already in a relationship. You said that there's no need to meet to fall in love. You even said I love you.
All that I was lying to you. There was no true love. How can you fall in love without seeing?
I fell in love.
Why wouldn't you fall in love? You are getting a good girl. If you wouldn't fall in love, so what all? Yeah, Swara, why are you talking to him like this? I accept he's disabled, but why are you calling him disabled again and again? He must be feeling bad. Will he feel bad? What about me feeling bad? What about father's cheating? Since so long I was talking with him on phone, I wasted my time. I thought he must be rich. He was posting pictures with big cars on Instagram. But how would I know that he's a disabled person?
So you fell in love with me because of that cars?
Yes, I thought those cars were yours, but I didn't know that your car would be this wheelchair.
Can we go inside and talk? It's a little hot here.
It's hot. Really? Swara, what you have done this year? Why you spilled water on him? Have you gone crazy? He was feeling hot, no? That's why.
I didn't expect you to be such an idiot girl. You were talking so nicely on the phone that there is no better girl than you in the whole world. But in front of me,
I'm like this only. You heard it?
I was going to propose you for marriage today.
Why won't you propose? You can't even get a girl like me in your dreams. If you want, you can marry me right now. Swara, if you don't want to keep any relation with him, so don't keep it. Tell him clearly. But why are you insulting him again and again? Can't you mind your own business? And tell me one thing. Are you his friend or mine? It's not about friendship, Swara. It's about humanity. Do hell with him and his humanity. And listen, enough is enough. Now get lost from here.
Can't you talk nicely with anyone?
No, I can't. And now it's enough is enough. Now quickly get out of here.
Okay. It's good that your truth has come out.
My truth. It's so good that your truth came in front of me. And please quickly get out of here. Disabled.
Okay. I'm leaving.
Fine.
Yes. I was coming to meet you, so I saw this wheelchair here. So I got an idea to meet you at the wheelchair and see your reaction. And see, I got to see so many different types of reactions from you. The whole truth came out of you.
Okay, so you were taking my test. I was also doing a prank with you. You tell me, how was my prank?
It was very bad. You and your thinking. Yep, you just learn something from your friend. You are a human, but you don't even have a 1% of humanity in you.
Sanju, you felt bad, so I'm sorry. I was just doing a prank.
Really? Was your friend joking?
No.
You told me to leave, right? I'm leaving.
This is your car?
Yes.
Sanju, I'm so sorry. I was really doing a prank. I really love you. Trust me.
I am sorry. But now I don't have any feeling for you. Wait a minute. I thought if our date is good, I'll get you to shop for this money. Now I had to spend this money. You keep this. You shop for yourself.
Me? But how can I keep this money?
I really liked your humanity. Think of me as your elder brother and take it.
Thank you, brother.
Welcome.
Sanju, please listen to me once. Sanju, please. Come on, give me half of the money. Why? Why will I give them to you? Give them to me? He came to meet me. He was my boyfriend. So I deserve half of the money, no? After leaving the bank, you're asking me for this? This money my brother gave it to me. So why will I give them to you?